Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Interstate 10 through Redlands, San Bernardino, and Colton. Today we'll take a full-scale observational assessment into the current condition of Interstate 10. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Interstate 10. Without further delay, let's get started on the assessment. Interstate 10 through Redlands, San Bernardino, and Colton is in good condition. On 7.4-mile stretch of I-10, pavement condition surveys have found signs of cracking, rutting, and other deterioration in the concrete and asphalt surfaces. For example, Caltrans has documented that in a segment west of San Bernardino, there were areas where cracking, rutting, bleeding, and poor ride quality had progressed beyond routine maintenance levels. While much of the cracking is still considered minor, meaning it's surface level or hairline rather than full structural failure, it signals the need for preventive repair such as crack filling, joint resealing, or slab replacement rather than waiting for major rehabilitation. And because this corridor handles extremely heavy traffic, including considerable freight truck volumes, even minor cracks matter. Over time, they can accelerate pavement breakdown under high loads and lead to bumps, noise, or safety concerns if left unaddressed. Also, drivers will see skid marks everywhere on this stretch of I-10. The skid marks on I-10 suggest high-speed stops, sudden maneuvers, and heavy traffic risks. The skid marks often appear near busy interchanges and off-ramps on I-10, where drivers must rapidly decelerate or merge. And they signal past events where tires locked or tires slid under emergency braking. While I-10 is built for large volumes of freight and commuter traffic, the skid marks highlight how even well-engineered freeways, such as I-10, can become safety hazards when conditions and speeds combine unfavorably. The visible skid marks serve as a permanent record of near misses or collisions and underscore the importance of maintaining safe following distances, being vigilant while driving, and anticipating merging or slowing traffic along this critical stretch of roadway. Moreover, traffic congestion on this stretch of I-10 can become an issue for some drivers. During rush hour times, this portion of Interstate 10 traversing San Bernardino, Colton, and Redlands, traffic congestion becomes a pronounced and a recurring problem. This corridor not only functions as a local commuter route, but also carries heavy inter-regional and freight traffic, which causes large volumes of traffic during peak periods to exceed design capacity on I-10. As a result, traffic slows to a crawl or stalls entirely in some segments, particularly where on and off ramps merge or where truck traffic at interchanges backs up the freeway's main lanes. For example, Caltrans has documented that eastbound queues of trucks and other vehicles regularly begin stacking up from the I-10 and I-15 interchange during PM peak rush hours. The net effect is that commuters routinely face longer travel times, elevated frustration, and less predictable trip durations along this vital Inland Empire freeway. Did you know the Cultural History Project, Living on the Dime, documents how communities along Interstate 10 through Redlands and San Bernardino were physically and socially reshaped by the freeway? Here's another interesting fun fact. Did you know the stretch of Interstate 10 in Colton, an overcrossing, Pepper Avenue over Interstate 10, is named the Douglas Stephen Franco Memorial Bridge? It honors Douglas Stephen Franco, who worked as a resident engineer for SBCTA projects from 1995 to 2017, and was respected for his creativity, fairness, and problem solving in road construction.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, Whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset, the Trip Channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.